Today, I'm going to show you how to generate videos of the same scene but with different camera shots. Of course, the most critical link in creating this kind of video is generating the shots themselves. We actually have two technical paths to choose from. The first one is using reference generation. You could use Qwen Image Edit or other models, taking a picture of a character as a reference to ensure character consistency. After generating images for different angles using this reference method, we can then proceed to generate the corresponding videos. However, using this method has a significant downside. We cannot guarantee that the overall consistency is perfect. This is because reference generation, especially with open source models, still has certain flaws. So today I will teach you another method. I have built this workflow on Running Hub, and you can access the platform through runninghub.ai in the Come UI field. Running Hub is a fantastic online workspace because as soon as new models and extensions appear, they update them immediately. You can register for Running Hub using the invitation link in my video description to get 1,000 free credits. Additionally, logging into Running Hub daily will grant you an extra 100 points. So you can try out these workflows yourself. First, let's look at generating the shots. I designed 4 distinct camera angles. To ensure the overall scene and character remain consistent, I generated them all within a single image. Take a look at this. It's a shot of a beauty playing the piano. We have a close-up of her face, a close-up of her hands, and a medium shot. Because we generated these 4 images in a single sampling pass, the consistency of the character and the environment is flawless. So how did we achieve this? Let's look at the workflow. This workflow is actually very simple. It's a Qwen Image Edit workflow. However, you must pay attention to the model selection here. I chose the 2512 version. We do not recommend using the 2511 version because 2511 is actually not very precise when generating this kind of grid image. Take a look here. This is the same workflow but with a different model. This is a storyboard image generated using the 2511 version. You'll notice that for these two images, the storyboard effect isn't particularly good. Next, let's look at how to write the prompts. What you are seeing now is the Qwen Image Edit page on Hugging Face here. They highlight the Qwen Image 2512 version. They actually provide a comparison between 2512 and 2511, and one of the scenarios is generating storyboard images, or what we call grid images. Let's look at the effect here. They generated even more shots, a total of 12. There is a specific prompt structure here. You can follow this format to write your prompts. However, the biggest problem with images generated this way is resolution and clarity. Our current resolution is 1440 by 720. Of course, you can set it larger, but regardless, since you are generating 4 images at once, the resolution and clarity for each individual shot are often insufficient. Therefore, after this step, we need an upscaling operation. Let's look at the upscaling workflow. The workflow itself is also very simple. It uses Qwen Image Edit, but this time it's the 2511 version, also known as the Pluses version. Here I have a reference image. This is the image I just generated. I'm using the Qwen Image Edit main model connected to an acceleration LoRa. But at the end, I used a special LoRa called Unblur Anything. The benefit of using this LoRa is that it can upscale and repair the image while simultaneously removing blur effects, making the image look much clearer. Let's look at the final generated result. Pay attention here. The overall expression of the character and the clarity are excellent. You might not see the full deblurring effect just from this image, so let's swap in another one. I uploaded an image I generated previously. Let's zoom in. Notice that the person's face is completely unclear and lacks detail. Now, let's execute this workflow, okay? Sampling is complete. Let's look at the result. Take a look. You might feel it's still not quite there. In this case, you can try increasing the resolution. For example, I'll change it to 1920 by 1080 since my reference image is a 16:9 aspect ratio. Let's generate it again. Now, look at the result. You'll notice it is much clearer. What you are seeing now is this LoRa's page on Hugging Face. The examples they provide are even more extreme. Notice that the original images on the left are very blurry, but the images after processing are excellent. The only thing to note here is the prompt writing style. It follows a fixed format, so you can just use it directly. Also, I want to remind you that this model is actually compatible with both 2509 and 2511, though we recommend using the 2511 base model. So, the second critical step is taking those 4 storyboard images you generated and using this upscaling workflow to blow them up into sufficiently clear, high-resolution images. Moving on. The next step is video generation. Here, I am using LTX Video, specifically the low-VRAM workflow. We can generate a 1280 by 720 video in a single sampling pass. Regarding the details of this workflow, we gave a very detailed explanation in the previous video. So if anything is unclear, you can go watch that. However, there is a very critical point in this workflow that you need to pay attention to. The video decoder VAE for the video decoder. I am using the version provided by Qwen, but Qwen uploaded a new version yesterday. He added the keyword old to the previous version, indicating it is now outdated. In his description, he mentioned that he believes the old version of the VAE coder has issues, so he suggests everyone use the new version. However, in my specific workflow, a very strange phenomenon occurred. I had been using his old VAE version, and the generated results were fantastic. But when I switched to the new VAE version, the workflow produced problems. The screen was either gray or glitchy. I don't know exactly where the problem lies. Therefore, if you are using my version of the workflow, I suggest that when you select the VAE, stick to the old version, do not select the new version. Let's look at the generated video effect. It's actually very beautiful. Similarly, here is the second shot. This is the third one. Look at the dynamic movement. It's also very good. And here's the fourth one. Of course, when I say 1, 2, 3, 4, that refers to the order of generation. When you actually edit the 4 shots together, you can arrange them flexibly. So that is the method we introduced today for generating videos of the same scene with multiple camera angles. I think compared to reference-based generation, this method offers much stronger certainty and consistency, and the generation process is simpler. If you are interested, go ahead and give it a try. That's all for today. Follow me to become someone who understands AI.